So uh, today we'll be discussing about how to start a journey in business analyst role without having any earlier related experience. So first, let's try to understand what is business analysis. Analyst role. So first thing is this varies from company to company, but because some say that it's more of a business oriented, where we have to understand the requirement from the client, and take it forward to the technological team, the tech team. So, and we prepare something called as BRD. BRD stands for Business Requirement Document. So this is a document where we list out all the requirements, all the business requirements from the client, so that the tech team can understand it. So we may have to design flowchart or process flow diagrams, so that we are able to understand what are the business requirement of the client, and we can inform the tech team. Second is some companies have more of a data oriented, and this is similar to a data analyst role, which means you will be playing with data. And it will be more of reporting, analyzing data, and bringing insights from data for decision making. For example, let's take education sales. So which are the courses that is having more number of students, in which is the enrollment increasing, and what is the background of the students, from which city are the students coming from what earlier job experience are the prospective learners coming from, so that I can understand that these are the categories, these are the background of my learners, and for my next marketing campaign, I can target those set of learners. So this is more of a data oriented. Now the catch is we have both business oriented and data oriented role also. So if you are more on business oriented role, they would require you to have knowledge of Jira, some knowledge of Jira or Jira. I may be wrong with the pronunciation. And definitely with some visualization or some tools with which you can prepare a design flow. For example, Alteryx is one software where you can do that, or Lucidchart is some another. So basically a platform where you can sketch, where you can sketch your process flow and the business required documents. For data oriented role, it's the tools that they ask will be more for SQL, because you'll be playing on data, and this is kind of entry level role.
Data analyst role is entry level role.
Yes, mostly. Yes, mostly.
Okay.
SQL and Python or Tableau for visualization as well. So these are generic skills that they require, right? And a few questions. And okay, so this is about the background of business analyst role. Now, how do I get into this?
And market analyst is different.
Market analyst would be, there is something called market research analyst. So they prepare on doing primary research, or secondary
Mhm.
research. Primary research means interviews or uh, collecting data and working on that. Secondary research would mean researching more on existing information, be it be white papers or different source of information like uh, I forgot the name, but yeah, IDC का होता है and white papers IDC का होता है and there are specific okay, I'm not able to collect the exact name, but like we have white papers, so IDC, Gartner, these all publish different reports. So we have to research on those reports and do the required market research analysis.
Okay. And can we shift from like if
Yes,
I am a market research analyst, then I can be a data analyst.
yes. So, okay, provided you have these skills. If you have these skills, then you can definitely make a move from to business analyst role. So first is how do I get into a BA role? First one is
Mhm.
get the required skill, the required tool set. I would say rather than skill, skill is a vast term. To be specific, the tools like maybe SQL or Python, or if it requires Jira, then some experience of Jira, whatever the tool that are required. And next is do some certifications, required certifications. And so even if you do not get internships or you do not get any opportunity where you can work on these projects, right? So next thing is do some projects. Even if you do not have internships, then
As in freelancing, you're talking about
sorry.
projects. Projects you're talking about freelancing or
Yes. So any projects where you can highlight your BA skills, business analyst skills. So this can be your freelancing also, or this can be small projects with NGO or INGOs also.
okay.
Or this can be something which is free, pro bono projects also, right? Where you can highlight or where you can gain experience in BA or you can highlight your expertise. And even if you like, a next good thing is getting internships in BA role. But if you do not get internships, then do something on your own. Do it yourself. So and this is the best thing to get started with. You can pick any existing problem statement from the net and then give your own solution to it. And then you can maintain a GitHub or your blog post and then put it there. Solve any existing problem and maintain it in GitHub. GitHub is a platform where anyone can upload their projects or your own blogs. So you're free to do this. Now to start with how to get the required skill sets. You have to get the required tool. Get the required tool. Okay, first we need to understand what tools are required. And this will be answered by the job description. because there are two types: business oriented or data analyst oriented. So we'll have to figure out whether you want to do, whether you want to go for a business oriented or a data oriented. So anyway, business oriented will also require some of the data skills. Data oriented will also require some of the business requirement, but the inclination is more on one side, which we can get from the job description. So I'm just going to IIM jobs and I'll just search what are the existing requirement. For example, I'll go here. Okay, so let's say any experience. Let's go to the junior most. Okay, so let's go to Ola. Let's go to Ola or Merilytics or investment solution. I think this will be on finance. Business development, Vedantu. Vedantu, let's go for this one. Trade execution, Mahindra integrated business. 4 to 9. Let's look for some entry level role. Management trainee, portfolio advisor, strategy manager, product manager 1 to 11, senior program manager. Sorry. Business analysis. Let's go for this one. Business analyst. Fraud analytics. Okay, let's go for some more. Naukri and Indeed and LinkedIn. Okay, top 3 platforms. Yeah, business analyst. एक ये हो गया, business analyst. ये हो गया. Business analyst यहाँ पे हो गया. Virtusa Consulting, even this one. Okay, let's go for this one. Okay, so this one is for JICAS Infotech Bangalore. Okay, this is the requirement. This is for a supply and chain management operations. Work with customers and understand their configurations, provide training on customers, proactively communicate with customers, plan, estimate, and drive execution of change, identify patterns in customer raised tickets, work with technical account manager, participate and contribute to best practices, work efficiently on their internal products, strong technical understanding. So as we can see from the JD, this is more of a business oriented rather than data oriented role. So these are general things that they are asking. We can start applying for business oriented role also, because they are not looking for a specific data skills. Right. So next, go to this one, business analyst for franchise acquisition. I think this is a finance related. Yeah. Provide support to national sales head in steering key organization project, drive business analytics, business reporting, and digital transformation, advanced strategies for gathering, finance modeling, scenario analysis, valuation. So this is more of a finance related role. Yeah, and this will be more of financial analysis because it is for acquisition vertical. So if
Mhm.
someone has been working in finance, then if someone is
So,
has worked in fintech, then that's a relevant skill for this role. So here also no any specific tool sets required. I'm just looking for roles where they have mentioned any specific skill sets. Uh, okay, coming to this one, business analyst at InfoEdge, Delhi,
mhm.
work with multidisciplinary teams to deliver high quality analytics and business intelligence. So this has both business oriented also, since the candidate will be working on multidisciplinary teams, and also analytical skill sets are required. Draw conclusion from data. So yeah, here it's asking for data skills. Experience performing root cause analysis. So this is something that business analysts do. For example, let's say my sales, for a generic example, my sales for this quarter has decreased. So why has it decreased? What are the reason? My sales decreased because the number of clicks on my ad were less. So why did the number of clicks on my ad decrease? Because let's say the interaction was not good or the ad was not appealing. Why was my ad not appealing? Not appealing because my content of the ad was not good. Why was the content of the ad not good? Because the required research was not done well. So this is an example of root cause analysis. So this will be same
Okay.
on numerical basis also. For example, the let's say the sales was not good. Again, the same example, the sales was not good. Uh,
Mhm.
so what are the different reason? The main actual cause of the reason
What
for
could be
that?
the reason?
Yes. So we go on analyzing the root cause, the cause of the
Mhm.
cause. And again
So,
here,
are there certain tools that are required to get this
uh,
root cause analysis?
it's more of a soft skill.
Acha, okay.
There you can find templates also. Yeah, there are a few templates.
No, I thought that when the data is in a large, amount, so
Mhm.
how will you gather the information? Like, how will you determine that, okay, these could be the causes?
So yeah, so root cause analysis is more of a business solution, business problem rather than pure database. So we use the data, but based on that, we find out what could be the root cause for that. Here it has been using DMake framework, which comes from the Six Sigma. Define the problem, measure, then analyze, then implement, and then again control. It's a generic one. Fishbone. So as I said, it's more of a analytical. It's more of a mindset solution rather than using some formula. For example, what were the main reasons for an effect? If there is a problem,
Mhm.
what were the main causes? For example, if my sales was down, was the marketing team doing well, or was my product well, or was my delivery, if it's a product or delivery, or if it's a service, my customer, my services, was it good, or was the word of mouth marketing after sales servicing good? uh, so similar different parameters are considered. That's the root cause analysis. This they have just used scatter diagram to find out a generic solution. Yeah, so it's more of a business solution rather than data.
Okay.
So yeah, coming back to oh yeah, okay. I'm trying to find out. Okay, yeah. So if you see here, this
SQL
role,
is required.
yeah, this is for 6 to 9 years of experience. But if you see,
Mhm.
it's more of a BRD creation and project management. It's more of a business oriented role.
Mhm.
Stakeholder management, status reporting, and Basel 2 and Basel 3 might be something specific. understanding of that is required. Risk system and
What is Basil? Is it a tool? Or?
Even I am not aware of that. Banking regulations across the globe. It's again related to finance only. I'm looking for a specific okay, engineering degree with MBA. This is business analyst in Gentage Techno Services. Engineering plus MBA, analytical capabilities, working experience of product development, resolve conflicts. Okay, these are again soft skills. IBM. Okay, this is vast. Let's not go too into this right now. Indeed, I think this is not for India. Let's check for India. Okay, business analyst for Hyderabad. Okay, for Mumbai, this is Deloitte.
Financial services.
Just a second, I'll log in from my account. Okay, business analyst in Deloitte is asking for 3+ years experience. Let's go for entry level. Okay. Analyst. Okay, so this also does not have any specific tool requirement. Understand client's vision, coordination with stakeholders, ensure quality of business engagement, share database insights to clients. So this can be, they have not mentioned any tool. So this can be from Excel or Google Sheet as well. Help client to restructure program, do secondary research, internal stakeholder management, collaboration via internal project, timely raising, understanding of project. JD requirement is exposure to CSR, stakeholder management, willingness to work, presentation and communication. Again, this is more of a business generic skills. No any specific tools required. If we go for Aptiv, okay, this is more for visualization. So they might be asking for, see, develop high-end PowerPoint slides, advanced data visualization using ThinkCell, efficient elements, Tableau, etc. So I think this is very specific. I have not seen this being used mostly. If you start from Tableau, yeah. So this is more of data visualization tool.
People share ideas with charts. Charts help communicate complex data. 8 of the 10 top consulting firms use ThinkCell, the #1 charting software for PowerPoint that saves you over 70% of your working time.
So this is again another visualization tool that works on creating graphs and charts. So only skill set required here is Tableau. ThinkCell, I think someone can learn after they can join also, but having a walkthrough would be having a walkthrough would be helpful. Run basic data analysis to create scatter plots, very wide charts, waterfall charts. So scatter plots is something technical, but anyone who have studied statistics, some level of statistics, they can clearly do this. So interact with teams globally, management and coordination, experience in product marketing. Okay, ThinkCell, efficient elements and Tableau. So this is the main software that they will be using. So they have asked for these qualifications. Experience in data analysis, experience in MS Office tools. So again, data analysis has come here. And to provide experience in data analysis, as I mentioned earlier, what we can do is we can do some projects, solve any existing problem and maintain it in our GitHub or blog. You can take any, you can go to Kaggle. Beginner data analysis project. See, you'll find several projects for this. Kaggle is a good platform for starting data analysis projects. Okay. Okay, so see, here we have the data and also the problem. And this is done on Python. Okay, so this will require some level of, this not, yeah, this will require some level of Python understanding. So this is more of a data, this is a completely data analysis role project. Projects for beginner, PIMA, Indians, cardio, automobile, advanced statistics. Okay, so
So
these
do
are,
we need to have any sort of like knowledge of C language or C++?
no, Python you can learn. Anyone with no earlier programming experience can also start with Python. Python is that easy.
Okay.
So if you want to start learning Python, Great Learning Academy is providing free basic courses on Python. So this is a good site to start learning courses. Data science, machine learning, Python for machine learning, basics of machine learning, supervised machine learning. So these are all 2-3 hour courses, and these are a lot helpful to start. So we even have a Python project. So you can work on this.
Okay.
You can complete this course, and then you can also you'll also be receiving certificate for this, and you can show that you have completed so many projects in Python. So once you do this guided projects, then you can also start working on, you'll be able to understand what the code mean, and you'll be able to work on an improved version of this existing solution for this problem. But again, the question is, do this role require Python? If it's good to know Python and Tableau and SQL, these are top 3 skills required. So this will open more opportunities for business analyst role. If we go
So
to
like to get a basic idea of this particular role, like business analytics, what is the course that we can like opt?
So we can
get the basic idea of all these tools and what are the opportunities further.
So yeah, you can start with Python, and then you can also go to SQL, because entry-level roles will require SQL skill. And for visualization, you can either do Tableau or Power BI. So these are the top skill set required. And very strong SQL knowledge. is something, and Python, R, SQL, Stata, or MATLAB. Now this is core. This is more of a technical opportunity. It is asking for engineering or computer science.
Mhm.
Mm, mm. So if you are in a market research analyst role, you can switch to these categories, which will be more of market research only.
And what is the future of this role, like market research analyst?
It will be more of a desk job, market research analyst. It will not be a customer facing role. You will be working on existing reports and then creating new reports. For example, okay, ending this one, again, this has a requirement for R or Python, SQL, and Excel.
Mhm.
Okay. If you are looking for research analyst role, yeah. So top companies that provide that top companies for research analyst are IDC, Gartner, Forrester, Deloitte also.
Mhm.
Nielsen is also one of the top research company. So, so participate in creating research reports, review data for errors, coordinate with multiple project members, work on meta-analysis.
Mhm.
Mm, research analyst. This is more of a finance role. Associate research analyst. Kino JD. Okay. Just show you of my नहीं, इसका भी क्लोज हो गया. पहले इसका था रिसर्च एनालिस्ट का. I just wanted to show you that. So, coming back to business analyst now. So these are the tools that are most relevant. So you can start taking this course and okay, and do some certifications. Great Learning Academy provides free courses with certification. This is one good platform to start with. Another is we also have Tableau ka certification, but it is a bit costly,
Okay.
which is from Tableau itself. Another is business analyst ka certification, which is again from business analyst platform only. Certified business analyst. क्या IIBA है, International Institute of Business Analysis, but this will be a bit costly. Entry certificate in business analysis. Okay, you have to complete professional development courses. So like we have a PM management ka PMBOK. Similarly, we have something for business analyst also, BABOK. So these are a bit costly, and because they are costly, they are more certified as well. But we can, instead of that, we can just do other generally available certifications also. For example, Tableau ka also there is $250 ka course. So instead of this, we can just do normal certifications. Anyway, certification.
So this tabular certification will only help us to get to know this particular tool, right?
Yes.
And the BA certification will get us to know like the whole idea of what business analytics is all about.
Yes, yes. But even for
So
business analyst roles, Tableau or any other visualization tool and any other data analysis tool will be a lot helpful.
Okay.
So this is another platform, business analysis certification. Professional practitioner foundation. Okay. This is for foundation level. For people who want to understand business analysis, support, change, and improve business process. So this is again a business oriented certification rather than data oriented. You will have a broad understanding of business analysis, business analyst, identify and evaluate opinions for improving business, interview, workshop, prototyping, categorize, and this is again a business oriented role. How to document, manage, and validate requirement. Yeah. This is again documenting and managing requirement, validating and managing requirement, defining the solution, improving business process, analyzing and managing stakeholders. This is a core business oriented role, like certification. If we go to another platform, PMI for BA, Project Management Institute, BA. Okay, this is again asking for 60 months of business analysis experience. So this is not, there should be something for beginner level also. I don't think it's here. Or you can go to Udemy or any Coursera or any other platforms and do their basic beginner level courses. So this will have business analysis fundamental course plus certification so that you can start your course from a business analyst on a business analyst profile. And normally, business analyst and business intelligence and business data analyst, this all come together. Like, you know, their JD are more or less the same. They can be interchanged. Moving to next point, projects. Yeah. After you get the certifications, or you can do courses on Coursera or Udemy or EDX. This will be all free, or any other platform. And after that, you go to projects. For projects, you go to Kaggle and GitHub, and then look for existing problems and find out solutions for them. And
So
then
this will only happen once we know what,
yes,
once we
you
learn.
have, yes, once you have
process
an
and
understanding of this, once you have an understanding of at least Python or SQL.
I mean, so this is a must, like Python and SQL is a must.
Yes. So either Tableau or Power BI and Python and SQL is a must. Python or R, but normally R is more for academic thing. Companies use Python. So in short, we need these three.
And it's better to do a separate course.
Yes.
Like,
yes.
for all these tools.
And then we do the projects, and then comes the job searching. So for this, you'll have to connect to existing BAs from LinkedIn. And then join any BA community, business analyst community, where you can understand what are things going on in the BA industry or BA field. And next would be your update your profile as update profile that will be a good fit for BA role. Update your profile in LinkedIn or let's say or any other job searching platforms, let's say Indeed or Monster Job or IM Jobs or any other platform that we have. And then, yeah, that's it.
So I also wanted to know, like, if I'm starting as a business analyst for that role, and like 5 years down the line, where do I see myself?
Okay, so you can so see business analyst, although the name will be the same, but the task and activities that you do, the responsibilities that you handle, that will be increasing. Maybe your name will be, you know, improved from being a business analyst to senior business analyst. But let's say when you enter, you will just be doing completely data analysis and will be analyzing data and helping decision makers to make decision. But you, as you improve on the ladder, you can, you know, you'll be more, you'll be getting more responsibility. You will be getting to take decisions rather than just being limited to working on data. And then you
so
can
suppose I'm just providing, okay, these are the possible problems that we are facing with the current campaign right now as an entry level management, whatever. So further, I will be solving those problems as well. Is that what you're talking about?
And maybe solving problems on a larger scale, from a regional to country level to maybe projects with huge investment and such.
And
I haven't
organization wise, like, is there like in the hierarchy, is there a role in the higher hierarchy for this particular for analysts? Like,
okay,
I didn't see it earlier.
Yeah, normally that's what normally people go into business analyst role. And then, for example, if you take exam McKinsey, so here the hierarchy is different. First, they are hired as associate. After 2-3 years of associate experience, they become business analyst. After 2-3 years of business analyst, they become consultant. And that's how the hierarchy grows. But in some other companies, it is directly business analyst and then senior business analyst.
So as a consultant, can I also like work independently? Is there a possibility?
You can work independently, but why will someone give you project if you are directly working independently? If I am someone who is giving you a project, I would need to have confidence that you have earlier experience in business analysis, right? So if you are a fresher, and I would...
No, not as a fresher.
Okay, like after 5 years. Yes,
yeah,
yes. After 5 years, you can be an independent business analyst also.
Okay.
Okay. Again, these are more of a soft skills. I'm looking for...
So I see that you have to have like IT knowledge for
no.
It's like
it's not mandatory. There are business analysts who are working in non-IT roles also, but they'll be working more on data. So if you know some tools to work on data, then that is sufficient to go on a entry level to start your career in business analyst role.
Okay.
So these are different skills that are required, or different certifications that we can have. Verbal communication, good listening skills, understand objective, meeting with stakeholder, know your objective well, time management, report writing. Okay. Communication, problem skills, critical thinking. Microsoft Visio is also one great tool to help you in developing the flow chart and the process flow. And I wanted to say one thing more. Yeah. So these are the top things for today that you can start working on.
Like I need to do a separate 3 courses before applying for a job.
Yes.
These 3 are for tools and the BA course that you told me about.
The
BA certification course.
Yes. Yeah, and for interview preparation, yeah. For interviews, one good practice is the guesstimate challenge. So this is one of the most widely used process to filter out business analyst candidates in the interviews. So guesstimate challenge will have random question like number of doors in Delhi, or let's say number of red Maruti 800 in Bangalore. So the main aim of this question is to find out how you think, because as we saw, many of the requirements in business analyst role is to have a critical thinking mindset. So how do we have that? So how do we know whether you have a critical thinking mindset or not? That is understood by the recruiters from this guesstimate challenge. So here the answers are not important. The process is more important than the final answer. There is no correct answer, right? There is no way to find out right, the total number of doors in Delhi. But how, sorry. But how do you find the total number of Delhis? Maybe you start with population and then house and then number of stories and the number of flats in each story and then number of rooms, and then you come to number of doors. Similarly, the process is calculated here. So this is also one thing that you can start practicing. But this will come only when you start looking for interviews. Before that, we can focus on these things.
So, like if I I'm opting for Python right now, suppose, and then I can do the projects as well, like side by side.
Okay.
Just for this particular tool.
Okay.
So that I gain certain knowledge, practical knowledge as well.
Yes.
Certification in the projects can go hand in hand, right?
Yes. Yes. Once you start doing the courses, then you can parallelly whatever you are learning. So see, if these things are just learned and not practiced on project or hands-on experience is not done, then it is of not much useful, not much benefit. So you start working, you start learning, and side by side you start doing some project also. So as I so you have a project here, right? Python projects. So fake news detection using machine learning. So yeah, so this will also provide you a certificate and you'll also be working on a project. So this is a good thing to start. After you have learned the basic, then this is a good thing to explore. Similarly for fake news detection, this can also be another project that you can work on.
And how do you see the future of this role?
It will increase. It will increase. People will require, companies will require people with, like, we can understand data, we can connect data and business. I'm trying to find this. Yeah. Flipkart is asking for Bachelor in Computer Science, Math, MBA, SQL, Excel, R or Python. Yeah. Python again, Spark, SAS, SPSS, work experience with business intelligence tool, Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, Data Studio. So yeah, if we have Python,
a lot of tools.
Yeah, SQL and Power BI or Tableau, we are good for this. Business analyst, yeah, it's not that good. And we also, if we are, Thompson.
Business analyst role are better than market analyst role, right?
Yes. Like both have their advantage. You know, if you don't like to play with numbers and you are more of a text person, then market research analyst is more of a text based job. Business analyst will be more of a number based job. Business analyst. See, Alteryx, Tableau. Senior business analyst. Okay, the good thing is we do not have a, like, you know, it always, the business analyst, as I said, is a wide category. It always differs from company to company. For example, here, see, business analyst is asking for Jira and Scrum. This is completely more of a business oriented. Business analyst, Genpact.
These courses on artificial intelligence also helps in this.
AI would be more, yes, but if you are directly into, I think, okay, again, AI is a wide topic. Inside AI comes machine learning. So if you are good with machine learning, that is sufficient for business analyst role. Okay, so this company is asking for business analyst, go-to-market strategy teams, advanced Excel, SQL. Business analyst. Camp K12 business analyst. Excel, SQL, MongoDB, knowledge of BI tools like Tableau. These are all helpful. Yeah, business analyst in Trians. Okay, this is more of a BRD, business oriented role. Business requirement document, coordinate with technical and managerial teams, document, communicate functional, non-functional requirement, documentation, Visio, PowerPoint, analyzing and document. This is a business oriented role. Excel. Excel, VBA, and macro. Okay, I'll just add one more here. Advanced Excel.
I'm going to do this course as well.
Yeah.
Currently, I'm just doing the basic Excel work.
Yeah, that is a good thing to start with. So the best thing is go to Kaggle, pick up a problem, and then do some project, do some solutions, and put that in your resume. That will speak a lot. Even more than certifications, your project will speak out.
Okay.
So let's go to Excel project in Kaggle.
Kaggle and GitHub, right?
Yes. So see, not from computer science background and how to solve a problem using MS Excel. So there are several courses on Kaggle also. You can receive certification on courses from Kaggle also. For example, courses. See, Python courses are here also.
Yeah.
Data visualization. This is more of Python only. These are all free and you can get certificates also. And these are also Kaggle's Python course is also a great content, and it's a lot more interactive, and it's good to learn. You can also go to Intro to SQL. And SQL is very easy to learn. It's more like an English language. Just type, select some table, select some rows, put in condition, and then work on the analysis. Kaggle is the Bible for data analysis.
So they even publish it, like if we give
Yes.
solutions.
Yes. So there are several competitions also, and you get ratings also. Like your profile gets different star. So several competitions that you can compete in. Yeah, that's it to summarize. Any other questions?
I have a lot of courses to do now.
The good thing about business analyst is there is no specific requirement. It's a wide variety. And once you have basic of Tableau or Python or SQL, these three are sufficient. Then you are good to go. So Tableau you can learn in 6 hours. SQL beginner, I'm speaking about beginner level. You can do it also 4 to 6 hours. 6 hours.
So is beginner level okay to like apply for a good profile?
Yes. Beginner level plus one project.
Okay.
Plus one project.
Understood.
Python, if you want to learn Python, you will not be able to complete Python even in 6 months, but 10 hours initial will be a lot helpful. Will be, will give you a good
get an idea.
Yes. So you can learn Python from certifications from Kaggle also. So if you spend 1 month on this certification and learning, let's say 1 week for, roadmap. First, you can go for SQL, this say 1 week, and then you can go for Tableau. It's also 1 week. I would not say 1 week, I would rather say 10 hours. Tableau is also 10 hours is also more than is sufficient for foundation course. And then you go to you go to Python on third, because after you have SQL and Tableau knowledge, it will be a lot easier to go through Python. Python will take 2 weeks.
So separate projects for each one of them, right?
Yes, yes.
10 hours of course and then a project.
Yes. You can do from Kaggle or GL Academy. These are 2 things that I would recommend. Tableau, GL Academy, or EDX, or Coursera. Python also I would recommend Kaggle and GL Academy. And then you're good to go. So 1 month of investment and you're good to start applying for business analyst role. And then comes the interview.
And how is the demand of these courses, not just the courses, but these roles internationally?
A lot. Not only in India, outside also it's a lot. If you see, these are numbers that different job reports have highlighted.
21% by 2024.
See, the roles in India for business analyst and abroad, let's say US or UK, are different. In India, it's more of data analyst and less of core business analysis. Outside, it's more of business analyst, the bridging between the tech team and the clients.
Okay.
That's more.
So according to my understanding, I think data analytics is now part of business analytics.
Business analyst, yes. Yeah. Yes. The question is, to what extent? Is it, does the business analyst have 10% data analysis or 90% data analysis? That depends on the JD, but data analysis is a requirement for business analysis. So US.
I think I should be focusing on business analytics now.
Sorry?
I think I should be focusing more on business analytics, not just the data analysis.
Yes, yes. To start with, you can start with core data tools. And then see, if you are just limited to data tools, that will only be entry level role. For higher skills, you need to expand to decision making and connecting the gap. That's where the business analysis in true sense comes into the picture. So according to a report from McKinsey, US has shortage of 140,000 to 190,000 with analytical skills. So another the need for business analysts will increase by 14% by 2024. Report from Bureau of Labor Statistics. These are all US salary, 70,000 per year, but it's not the case and in India.
Currently, it's not.
74,000 to 72,000.
The recognition of this role is equal to the other managerial roles. No?
Yes. So it's on the same level as manager. So yeah, this is a good fit if you come from market research role. So see again, I said no, name will be business analyst, but the roles and responsibilities will be completely different from company to company. Now I think this is the first time we are seeing the primary research also, right, under business analyst. Here it is asking for conduct, because this is a consulting company and it will require candidate to do research, primary and secondary research, do primary consumer interviews, conduct consumer interviews, reaching out to interviewees, secondary research, and analyze data. Again, analyze data will come from Excel, SQL, work with senior management. Yeah, if you are in market research and you have proof of analytical and critical thinking, you can directly apply to this work. Yes, and Redseer is a good consulting company. Again, now business analyst at Lemnisk. This is asking for a new thing. This is asking for prior experience in handling digital marketing campaign is mandatory. Prior experience in handling clients would be advantage. Analyze large volume of data. This will completely depend on, the JD. Business analyst at InvestNet. Windows, PowerPoint, SQL. Business research analyst. Yeah. See, I said secondary research using free and paid subscriptions like from Gartner, Forrester, Mintel, Compare Media, Contagious, Statista, eMarketer. So these are different platforms where already reports and data are available. For example, Statista is, let's say GDP of India, Statista. Yeah. So you will see a lot of existing data over here. So based on that, you will have to create reports. You will have to use this in your other reports that you generate.
Okay.
This is also a good switch from research analyst to business analyst, because it's also asking for previous primary research and secondary research experience. Business analyst, Hyderabad. This is more of a business requirement gathering, analyzing, documentation, business analysis and scope documentation. Okay. First thing is, do you have an analytical mindset? Because it's no specific specific tool. It's not that you know C or C++. It will require to read between the lines to understand what the scenario is and how to solve that problem with the help of data. Again, this role, Ananta Cybertech, this is again more of BRD, business requirement document creation. Business analyst marketing. Develop and deliver performance analysis and recommendation for product marketers and business managers. Right now, you will analyze performance of different products of the emeritus courses, and then you'll recommend it to product marketer and business manager. Define channel and category KPIs and goals, develop the process, review and take action to improve performance. So yeah, so you will develop KPIs, you will develop new matrices and develop process to capture those matrices, and then inform deep analysis to improve the performance. Milestone is asking for support business requirement activity, detailed high quality documentation, evaluate data availability, cross-functional relationships, project planning. It is asking for 4 experience, 4+ year. Experience level, entry, and associate. So what you can do is you can create a job alert, right? So if you're asking for business analyst in India, and you can search and then click on for job alert. So whenever there is a new posting for business analyst role in India, you will get a notification in LinkedIn. So that from now itself, you will get to know what are the JD for business analyst role. And there are several business analyst community. For example, on jobs, let's say groups, right? See, there's so many groups that you can join in. And you can, this is the great thing about LinkedIn, you can go to people and then start connecting, So she is business analyst at Evalucert. Now, I don't need to wait for JD also. Okay, this is the thing. This is the best thing to speak about. So she's business analyst at Evalucert. So I'll go to her profile, business analyst at Accenture, business analyst at MIQ, business analyst at Amazon, BA at TCS, Flipkart, Pharmacy, CGI, and then business analyst at Urban, and then I will see what have they been doing. Okay, these are different companies, different groups. You can ask to join. Okay, I've already joined, I think. Okay, so you can go to these groups and You can turn on notification highlights. Okay, going to people, right? Now I can see what are her activities. Okay, she hasn't mentioned anything. Let's go to another candidate. Yes. Yeah. So business analyst. So what has it done? Structure in terms of reporting, dashboarding, creating visualization, dashboarding, communication with stakeholders, helped clients in designing employee self-nomination portal, and conduct interview with key business management to collect information on business process and user requirement. This is again more of a business-oriented role. And if you want, you can connect with him, connect with these people. Business analyst, okay. They haven't mentioned anything, but you can always connect to these people so that, you know, we can know what are things going on in the business analyst role. Again, no mention here. Sorry, why haven't people mentioned anything? Not even here. Okay, service-based analytics firm. Various projects on SQL, Python, and R. Okay, so this is a good thing to start with again. Okay. Microsoft Excel, management, customer service, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. Not much. Again, not much here also. Let's go to other people. So this is how you can, this will also help a lot to understand what business analyst people do. Data analysis, data visualization, statistics, machine learning, data science. So if you do the Python course, that will be in machine learning only. Analytics and statistics, Python or SQL. Power BI, pivot charts, Tableau, it's the same thing for data visualization, right? And we can just send her a connect. So he's a certified business analyst.
This means this person has done BA course from
yes.
the official BA website.
Yes. Yeah. Focused majorly on customer segmentation, customer behavior analysis, market basket analysis, promotion analysis, Tableau dashboarding, Google Analytics, Python, SQL, statistics, machine learning. So you do machine learning using Python. So it's the same, right? Python is the tool language, and what you do will be machine learning. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, decision tree, everything will be there. Segmentation, time series forecasting. This can be done from Excel also. Text mining, sentiment analysis, data visualization using Tableau. Okay, so she has done data science engineering from Great Lakes Institute of Management. See? He is on BRD. Use case. This is more of a software. This is more of a business oriented role. Gathering, analysis, documentation, design thinking, agile and waterfall, software development methodology. So this is on a business side. MS Visio, Jira, Blueprint.
Less of a technical, more
less of a technical, more of a business
skills.
So yeah, this is one good way to understand what people do.
Yeah. So I think to get better understanding, I think I have to do courses too.
So let's say you want to understand what business analysts do in a specific company. Let's say Mu Sigma. This will be more of a technical roles, okay? Let's see examples. Mu Sigma is more of a technical role. Let's say, name any company. I'm not able to read.
Accenture.
In Accenture, I think it will be more of a IT role. Okay, this person we have seen already. No details here. No details here. No details here. This is more of a, again, software oriented. BRD and FRD, business required document, functional required document, Jira, wireframing and prototyping, identification.
So for BRD, I can apply now also. It isn't requiring.
Yes, but if you have some experience of creating BRD, that will be a lot helpful. Like as a company, I would not prefer some fresher for BRD roles.
Okay.
Let's say even if you're in your current company, right? If you develop some BRD, some document for business process and flowchart, and you can mention that in resume, and you can speak about it in the interview, then you can start up. So here are few framework examples. Yeah, start with summary, objective, need, project scope, financial statement, functional requirement, timeline, assumption, cost benefit. There are
so again, if I have done any projects on this basis, then I can.
Yes.
Okay,
let's say there was a requirement from your client to prepare a specific report, right? So you can start with what was the requirement, what was needed, what is the scope of the project, what were the financials included, what were the teams included. Functional requirement means the teams and what functions would be required, and what is the timeline, and what is the cost engaged in that. It's more of a documentation thing, but it will require you to understand everything. What is the problem statement? What is the requirement? What is the process flow? Which teams will be included to develop the solution and such. The finance, the timeline, everything. Yeah, this is one basic example. What is the purpose? Who will own that? I don't think this is a good example. Just a second. Okay, yeah, this can be one good example. For example, introduction, project summary, objectives. Objective is to deliver widget interactive naming system, avoid duplicate, support text. So this is the objective. The background is this, the business drivers, and then the project scope, functionality, system perspectives, assumptions, constraints, and risk. So since this this role requires to connect the technological and the business team, having an engineering background is lot helpful, or having some earlier technical experience is lot helpful. I have a few examples. BRD. Same one.
I think this will get covered up in the BA course, certification course.
In the BA certification course, this will be there. In the CABP course, the IIBA course. For example, introduction, document purpose, intended audience. Now, this is a good example. Project background, purpose of BRD, business goal, benefits, stakeholders, dependencies, reference, assumptions, requirement scope, right? Functional requirement, use case. Here's a better example of BRD. Data requirement, data architecture.
I think I've gathered too much information now.
Sorry?
I think I've gathered too much information now.
Yeah. Yes, this is one good example of BRD. Yeah, this is the best example so far. So website redesign is the project. So document history, initial draft, working draft, explanation, reference, introduction, what is this, why this is required, executive summary, background, timing. So phase 1, strategy and planning, 3 to 4 weeks. Phase 2, 10 to 12 weeks. So this is a timeline map. And strategy analysis, business case, cost benefit, application, deployment target. So this is how a BRD will be. Now, this is the best one so far. So like everything about, so it's like you are connecting the technical team with the business client.
You have to have knowledge of both.
Yes. Yes. So to summarize, we can start doing start course on Tableau and Python, Tableau and SQL for now, or maybe with SQL. And you can start, and this can also be on from now. That's it from my side for today.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, my pleasure.
This was really informative, really helpful. I got to know so much about business analytics and the whole subject.
One month time from yours for this, and then we are good to go to start applying. It's matter of 40-50 hours, 50 hours of input, and then we can start.
Okay. I'll start with the SQL project.
Yes.
Course first.
Yes. And go to Kaggle or BGL Academy.
Yeah.
Don't spend so much time. This is the biggest challenge, you know. Once we decide, like after we decide what should we do, then since so many content are available on the internet, Even I did this mistake, like not mistake, but it's a human nature. Since so many content are available in the internet, every course seems good. And we spend more time on analyzing which course should I do, which is the course syllabus, what is the content, what is the hour, who is the mentor, and everything. So we spent 5 hours on deciding which course to do. If I had directly started the course, Kaggle course on SQL, I would have completed the 5 hours of content on SQL rather than browsing which one to do, which course to do. So you can learn from my mistake and do not search for anything. Directly go to Kaggle, start SQL course. Directly go to GL Academy, start SQL course.
Okay. I think I have also done this with the digital marketing courses.
Yes.
So
Jitna
spend a lot of time and enroll for
yes.
so many courses and couldn't complete half of them. So
okay then. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you
and
so
listening
much.
so patiently. It's almost.
Can you just share me the presentation?
Yes, I will. Yes, sir. I'll email.
That would be great.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Good night.
Yeah.